Sumaya says, can we blow on our food or drinks before consuming it, especially when it's hot? The Prophet ﷺ prohibited us from breathing in the vessel when we drink. So if I'm drinking, I should hold my breath, drink, and then breathe. But to hold it and to breathe into it, this is prohibited. Whether it's my own or it is something that is shared by the people. If it is shared by the people, this is logically understood, because those who are going to use it after me would be repelled by seeing me do this, or maybe something would fall into it that would not be hygienic and not be something pleasant to a person drinking from it. But if it's my own cup, some scholars say that this is still prohibited, even if it's your own, because the restriction is general. And some said, no, if it's your own cup, then there's nothing wrong in blowing into it, especially if it is hot. So this was reported from a number of sources of the scholars, that this is permissible. Whether it's permissible or not, if there is a need for it, and it's your own mug or glass or vessel, then there's no problem in blowing in it to either remove any impurity or to make it colder if it is too hot for you to consume. But just to be on the safe side, if it's hot and you want it to get cold, you can empty it in another vessel a couple of times until it becomes cooler, rather than to blow into it. So just to be safe and to avoid doing what the Prophet had restricted, alayhi salatu wassalam.